Hi everyone, welcome to Vuzzare. So this is the third part of Java Applet series. So in the first two parts I've shown how to make a file for Java Applet and how to run it and how to insert this comment in HTML comment so that your applet can be viewed. In this video we will try to see some more programs using Java Applet, and we will see how to fill color inside the rectangle and how to draw rounded rectangle. So let's start. So what we will do is we will inside the paint method using the graphics we will do g dot fill rect. So this is our method and we have to give the height, width and x and y coordinates. So first we will give the x coordinate, suppose 40 comma 40, and here we have given height and width as 500 comma 500, and we will give suppose width as 50 and height as 20. So if we try to run this, we have to create new terminal and we have to compile using javac applet 2.java. So let me just suppose write it javac applet 2.java, and to run it we use applet viewer, and the name of the file is applet2.java. So this gives us a rectangle which is filled with black color. So what we can do is we can increase the height. Suppose we can give the height as 200, and then if we try to run it, so again we have to do the same, compile it and then use applet viewer. So the triangle has been formed like this, and suppose if we give height as 50 and width as 200, and if we try to run it, so it will be like this, and suppose if we have to change color of the background, so how we can change the color of the background, we can use it like this, set background, and we do color dot yellow, we give one semicolon outside, and if we try to run it, then it will be something like this. So the background will be changed to yellow and the rectangle will be black. And in the other videos we will try to see how to draw rounded rectangle.